Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your specialty spice business. So as a spice business owner, I receive a lot of inquiries about my products on my WhatsApp number. So now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot to reply to these queries instantly on my WhatsApp number by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So to learn more about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot to automatically answer customer queries, share product info, and take orders perfect for businesses like mine that want to save time and respond faster. Alright, so as someone who runs a specialty spice business, I often get messages from customers asking about the product availability, prices, shipping details, or how to use certain spices. So now responding to each query manually takes a lot of time and sometimes I miss out on replying quickly. So by building a WhatsApp chatbot, I can automatically answer common questions, share product catalogs, take orders, and even collect customer details, all without needing to reply one by one. It helps me save time, provide instant support, and give my customers a better shopping experience right on WhatsApp. Alright, so here on the screen you can see the chatbot that I've already created for my spice business. And now here firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created for my spice businesses. Alright, now here to see the working of this chatbot, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've already connected with Pabbly Chat Flow. Alright, so here let's suppose that I am a customer and I'm going to drop a text to this chat such as hello. And here you can see I have received a text as hi there, welcome to Spice Aura, your destination for premium handcrafted spices. How can we help you today? And here I've received 3 quick replies buttons such as browse spices, gift packs, and contact us. So let's select browse spices. And then it says here are top spice categories: chili blends, turmeric and roots, and gourmet salt mixes. Alright, so I'm going to select chili blends. And here I've received the top chili blends available. So here it says want to order one. So I'm going to click on this order now. And then it says great choice to get started. Please share your name so we can confirm your order. So let's suppose that I'm going to enter the name as demo user. And it says thank you for your interest, demo user. Our team will reach out shortly to confirm your order and share the next steps. Alright, so this was the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire chatbot for your own business using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So now here to access the Pabbly Chat Flow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers. And then it will direct you to the Pabbly Chat Flow's home page. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's home page. And now here you can see 2 options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free today. And here if an existing user, then click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow, and here to access the chat flow, I'm going to click on this access now. Alright, so now here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's dashboard, and here you all might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chat Flow. So let me give a brief about it. So Pabbly Chat Flow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chat Flow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and help businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. Alright, so this was all about Pabbly Chat Flow, and now here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your Pabbly Chat Flow account step by step, then you can check out the video attached over here on this dashboard. And also if you wish to learn about the amazing features that Pabbly Chat Flow offer that are available in the left side bar, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature on our YouTube channel and on our our landing page as well. Alright, so now here let me give a brief about each feature. So here first comes the inbox. So here by using this feature you can see the entire WhatsApp chats of your number, and then it comes contacts. So here in the contacts feature you can add the contacts or you can manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number, and then comes team queues. So here in this particular feature you can see the added team members and the status of the chat assigned to each member. Alright, then come the templates. So here in this templates feature you can see the template list of the templates that you have created for your WhatsApp message, and also you can create new message templates using this feature. And then comes broadcast. So here by using this feature you can create and send the broadcast messages from your WhatsApp number. Alright, then comes the flow. So here by using this feature you can create the WhatsApp chat bots for your different businesses or your different purposes. Alright, then comes the settings, and here under the settings you can see some more features, and here to learn about these features in detail you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature. And then comes the get help option. Alright, so this was all about the features of Pabbly Chat Flow, and now here we are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot for our Spice business. So here to build the chatbot we are going to access the flows, and here under flow builder you can see all the existing flows that I've created using Pabbly Chat Flow till now. Alright, so now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot I need to create a flow. I need to create a new flow first. Alright, so for that I'm going to add a flow. I'm going to click on this add a flow button given on the top right corner, and now firstly I'm going to give a name to my flow, that is Specialty Spice Business. And now after giving a name to my flow it is asking me to set up the flow start. So here basically in the flow start I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot, and here you can see we can set the trigger as keywords, regex or template. So here if you wish to trigger the WhatsApp chatbot through a message template, then you can choose the template from the template library, and here if you wish to trigger the WhatsApp chatbot by keywords or regex, then you can do it as per your need. So here we will choose a trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we will add words like hey, hello, hi. So these are some basic keywords, and now here firstly I'm going to type the keyword and then I'm going to press the enter to make it a valid keyword. Alright, so I'm going to add another keywords as well. So now whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different way. One person might say hi, I want to purchase your spices, while another might write I want to know more about your spices. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that is a regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. Alright, so the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization, and once the chatbot is triggered it moves to the next step. So here you need to enter the regex to match the substring trigger, and here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so now after setting up my trigger as keywords, I'm going to move forward with the message box. So here after setting up the trigger, I want to add the text box, and here I want to send a hello or you can say a welcome text to my customers, such as hi there, welcome to Spice Aura, your destination for premium handcrafted spice. How can we help you today? So this is the message, and then I'm going to add quick replies button to this message box with the text such as browse spices, gift packs and contact us. Now further I'm going to set up the chatbot for each of the quick reply button added over here. So let's start with browse spices first, and then I'm going to add a text box over here with the text as here are our top spice categories: chili blends, turmeric and roots and gourmet salt mixes. Alright, so here I've added the categories, and now here I'm going to add quick replies button for each of the category, that means the category names over here, so that I can give options to user to select the category as well. Alright, so I'm going to add the text over here. And now after adding the categories as the quick reply button, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to further set up the start bot for each of the category given over here. So I'm going to add the text box for each of the category, and then I'm going to add the details for each of the categories. And now firstly I'm going to add the detail for chili blends. Alright, so here I've successfully added the text over here for top chili blends that I offer with the prices, and then it says want to order one. So here I've completed the text box, and then I'm going to add two quick reply button over here with the text such as order now and back to spices. And now here by completing this text box, I'm going to add more text box for each of the category as well. Alright, so I'm going to add the text and the same quick replies button over here for each category. Alright. Okay, so here you can see I've successfully added the text box for each of the categories with the same quick replies button as order now and back to spices. So with this we have successfully set up the chatbot for each of the category, and now further we are going to set up the message boxes for the order now quick reply button. But here before moving forward with this, we are going to move back to the main message, and then we are going to set up the text box firstly for this quick reply button, that is gift packs. Alright, so I'm going to add the text over here that my store offers, and now I'm going to add quick replies button over here with the text as buy gift pack and back to menu. And now after adding the text box, I'm going to add the gift pack list by adding another text box over here with this quick reply button. So I'm going to add the text as select pack, and now here after adding the text, I'm going to add quick reply button with the pack's name so that my customer can select any of the gift packs available. Alright, so I'm going to add the text over here as the gift pack's name. And here you can see I've successfully added the text over here. So now here moving forward with the order now process, let me complete the main message box quick reply buttons first. So lastly I'm going to add the text box for this contact us quick reply button with our contact details. Alright, so these are the contact details, and now I'm going to add a single quick reply button over here with the text as back to menu. Alright, so here I've successfully added the text over here. And now after adding the text boxes for each of the quick reply button, I am going to complete the order now process for each of the quick reply button of order now. Alright, so now here if my customer reaches this stage, I want to ask a question to my customer, and for that I'm going to add this ask a question button, or you can see the message box available in the action step. And here in this message box, I'm going to enter the text as create choice to get started. Please share your name so we can confirm your order. And now after giving the text, I'm going to select this contact custom field, and from here I'm going to select this full name contact custom field. So here let me tell you that I've already created the contact custom field for this message box, and here if you wish to learn about the contact custom field in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated for this feature on our YouTube channel. Alright, and here let me tell you that you can access the contact custom fields from the setting option, and here you can see the contact custom fields option. Alright, so now I'm going to select the format for the full name, that is text, and then here for the number of attempt I'm going to add the number of attempt as 1, and then it is asking me for the validation error message. So here I'm not going to add any validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank. And now here before moving forward, I'm going to connect all these order now reply buttons to this message box. Alright, so I'm going to do that. And now after adding the order now quick reply button, I'm also going to connect this select pack quick reply buttons to this message box only, because once my customer is going to select any of the gift pack, I want to ask the customer name for the order. Alright, so I'm going to connect all these buttons. And now after building this connection, I'm going to add another message box with this question box, where I'm going to add the text as thank you for your interest, dollar full name. Our team will reach out shortly, confirm your order and share the next steps. Alright, so this is the thank you message, and here you might be thinking that what is this dollar full name? So basically this is the format to add the customer response at this particular place. So here you might be thinking that how I got this format. So for that you need to go to the contact custom fields. So I'm going to open this link in a new tab. And here under contact custom fields, you can see all the fields that I've created over here. So here I'm going to click on this full name, and here in this place of this field name, you can see a copy field name button. So I'm going to copy it, and once you're going to paste it over here, then automatically you are going to see the same format. Alright, so this is the process to get this field name, and with this we have successfully completed this message as well. And now after this, I'm going to connect all the back to menu quick reply buttons to the main message. Alright, so I'm going to build this connection, and now after adding all these details over here, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved the flow that we have created using Pabbly Chat Flow. And now here let's see the working of this chatbot that we just right now created. And now to see the working of this chatbot, let me all take you back to my WhatsApp account. So this is my WhatsApp account, and I'm going to clear this chat to start it from the scratch. Alright, so I'm going to add the text as hello. And here you can see the message that I've received. It says, hi there, welcome to Spiceaura, your destination for premium handcrafted spices. How can we help you today? So here you can see some quick replies buttons. I'm going to select gift packs this time. And here you can see it says Spice gift boxes perfect for gifting, and these are the gift boxes available with their pricing. So I'm going to click on this buy gift pack, and then it is asking me to select the pack. So I'm going to select a random pack, and then it says great choice to get started. Please share your name so we can confirm the order. So I'm going to add the name as Dummy, and then it says thank you for your trust, Dummy. Our team will reach out shortly to confirm your order and share the next steps. Alright, so let's click on this back to menu. And then again we are back to the main message. So let's click on this browse spices. And I'm going to select a random spices from here. And then it has sent me the categories for the spices and the quick reply button as order now and back to spices. So let's click on this order now. And then again it is asking me to share my name. Alright, so this was all about the browse spice button. Now let's click on this contact us quick reply button. Alright, so now here you can see the contact us details and the option as back to menu. And here you can see we are back to the main message. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that we just right now created using Pabbly Chatflow for our Spice business. So let's move back to the flow. And now here let me show you the another feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox. And here by clicking on this inbox you can see all the WhatsApp chats of your WhatsApp number, and here also you can see the entire chat between your WhatsApp chatbot and the customer. And not only this, you can see the status of the message as sent, delivered or read. And also you can see the customer details available in the right side panel as well. Alright, so let's move back to the flows. And now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have selected the trigger as keywords, and then after setting up the keywords we have added hello or welcome message for our customers with the quick replies button as browse spices, gift packs and contact us. And then we have added the chatbot for each of the quick reply button with the message boxes as well. So here you can see the browse spices message box with the quick reply button as the categories, and then further we have added the details for each of the categories with the quick reply button of order now and back to spices. And then we have added a question box to ask for the customer name, and then after getting a response for the customer name we have sent a thank you for your interest message box. Alright, so this was all about the browse spices. Here we have added the gift packagings available for this gift packs quick reply button with the quick reply button as buy gift packs and back to menu. And then we have asked customer to select the pack, and then we have connected this message box to the question message box only. And then here for the contact us quick reply button we have added the contact details of our store. Alright, so this was all about this chatbot. And now here if you wish to learn about some amazing chatbots in future, then you have to stay tuned on our YouTube channel. And now also if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you understand the entire chatbot. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.